Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker, comfort grip handle, durable glass carafe, removable mesh filter, perfect 6-cup size, dishwasher safe, 1.6 QT, black. Brew a distinctively smooth and perfectly balanced cup of coffee at home with the Primula Burke Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Cold brewing extracts the unique and delicious flavor compounds from your coffee grounds. The process is simple but requires time and care to make the perfect cup of cold brewed coffee. The result is a great cup of coffee that's 65% less acidic than traditional hot brewing methods. Brew your perfect cup by placing coffee grounds in the fine mesh brew filter and soaking the grounds in room temperature or cold water for 24 hours. Simply remove the filter and pour into your glass or over ice. The result is a smooth and refreshing cup of coffee. Better brewing, enjoy smooth, delicious cold brew coffee at home. Also great for iced tea and infused beverages. The high quality keeps your beverage fresh for days. Easy to use, brew, store and serve all in one. A simple 4-step process. 1. Simply add coffee grounds to brew filter. 2. Pour cold water over coffee. 3. Brew in the refrigerator overnight. 4. Serve and enjoy. Innovative design, made of temperature-safe borosilicate glass with a durable protective holder and comfortable grip handle. Specially designed lid seals in freshness for days and provides a smooth, drip-free pour. Fine mesh coffee filter keeps grounds out of your coffee. Non-slip silicone base protects the glass from accidental slips. Perfect compact size, large enough for multiple servings yet still fits most refrigerator doors. The Burke makes up to 5 servings, 6 cups, 6 quarts or 51. 2 ounces of delicious, smooth cold brew coffee or tea. Endless possibilities. Use your favorite coffee grounds or tea and base your brew time on desired strength. Coffee lovers can add their favorite. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.